Laser Build-Off. Choose your character. Javier. Begin.
I made this axe here. This came from a game called For Honor. More specifically, this character named Hirokiri, and she wields this kind of axe. And so this is one of the axes you can get too. And so I decided I wanted to make something like this. And so one of the hardest parts for me to make this was that I had to cut a whole bunch of half circles to get this kind of cylinder shape going on. And yeah, that was a pain. So after that, after it was all said and done, I went home, showed it to my parents, and they said, wow. They kind of hold it like this too in the game.